5 ways to invest and earn from the stock market and crypto. Investing is a popular thing to do nowadays, and earnings from the stock market, as well as cryptocurrencies, are soaring high with the market cap. But did you invest and earn from crypto and the stock market? Here are 5 ways to invest and make from the stock market and cryptos. Without further ado, let's begin. Starting with the investment in cryptocurrency and the stock market. Cryptocurrency or crypto is nothing but the collection of binary data, which is designed to be used as a medium of exchange. It doesn't exist in any physical form, just like paper notes or something, but can be a medium of exchange. And also, it is not given or issued by the central authority. On the other hand, a stock market or equity market is where the sellers and buyers of stocks accommodate and do business inquiries like buying and selling shares, bonds, or securities. After learning a brief about those 2 things, let's check out 5 very effective steps to invest and earn from these business techniques. I'm not sure how many of you are acquainted with Bitcoins, but it's something more or less everyone knows. Over the past decades, apart from Bitcoins, other alternatives have also come up to the market, including cryptocurrency. So here are a few ways that will help all, especially beginners, make some real money out of both the stock market and cryptocurrency. Number 5. Day trading cryptocurrency. Day trading is one of the finest ways to make money, just like it is with stocks and other securities. The main process of doing business here is that the traders buy and sell assets on the same day, just to get a quick profit. Well, honestly speaking, some sort of risk is involved in this because how and when the value of cryptocurrency will change over time is unknown, as well as unpredictable. One safe option is there, which is to purchase crypto through online brokerage platforms to make use of the price fluctuations and eventually earn more money in the pocket than the much which was invested. But still, the risks are associated, and one should be ready for those risks. Number 4. Earn crypto dividends. This is another way to invest and earn money through cryptocurrency and the stock market. If you guys know about shares and stocks, I know you also know dividends. Still, I'll give a brief definition of what it is. Dividends are small cash payouts given to shareholders. Some cryptocurrencies also sell off dividends in the form of coins or tokens. So the crypto dividends differ from the stock dividends, where they pay it back off through cash, but in the form of more tickets. Hence, you need to invest in the proper term to make the proper amount. Number 3. Staking. Now here, mainly 2 strategies work like gold. The first one is called proof of work, and the second one is proof of stake. Now POW proof of work ensures the transactions made through utter or pure computational power, whereas POS proof of stake looks after the individual who affirms the production of another block that is being picked following the number of coins that one already holds. Staking is somewhat similar to a lottery game, and the more coins you have, the more you can put into it and the more possibility of picking up and approving the transaction. Number 2. Airdrops and forks. These are nothing but sorts of free tokens. While exchanging shares or stocks, a user may create an airdrop with the motive of generating a large user base for any of his desired projects. Being a part of this kind of airdrop, one can get free coins with which they will be able to buy things or invest or do trading. A fork or blockchain forks are used because of these changes and upgradation in protocols that generate new coins. This means if someone holds the right coins at the right place and time, they can typically get free coins and earn rewards based on the new network. Number 1. Arbitration with crypto assets. Arbitrage is when one cryptocurrency trades with another or trades the same cryptocurrencies on different exchanges. This very method is widely used by those who get involved in day-to-day trading and are always ready to take up risks that are of a higher standard than those who all simply go for the safe ground of day trading. This is done mostly when the price of cryptocurrencies rises or even falls considerably within minutes, which is totally dependent on luck and how one moves forward and chooses his steps. This whole process involves a greater amount of risk, and one must always stay cautious, as what happens at the very stage is unpredictable and unreliable too. I would only like to suggest personally, be careful and only try this out after having enough knowledge or experience, and don't go for it if you think it's not your thing to crack. So, these were the 5 highly effective ways to invest and gain from the stock market and cryptocurrency. If you are planning to invest and make money, then this is indeed the best way, and following these ways will surely help you out. Let us know your views in the comment section below. Until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on more videos we post.